In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page from your computer. So first head over to the Facebook website and then you need to click on Pages from the left navigation. If you don't see Pages in this list, click on the See More button, and then if you scroll down, you should be able to find Pages. Once you've selected Pages, select Create New Profile or Page, select Public Page, and then press Next. Select Get Started, and we need to start by giving our page a name. Then select the category for your business or page. Mine's going to be in the information technology niche. You can also enter a short about section to help other people find your page. Then click on Create Page. Then fill out the information about your business such as website, phone number, and email address. Now all of this information here is optional, but it might be helpful for people that land on your page. If you're a physical business with opening hours, then you can set this down here. If you don't have opening hours, just press No Hours Available. Then select Next. Select a profile picture for your page. You can also enter a cover photo which will be displayed above the profile picture. Once you're finished, press Next. You can also connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. I'm just going to leave this for now and press Skip. If you want to invite your Facebook friends to your page, then you can click this button here. Otherwise, just press Next. Select whether you want to receive notifications for your page, and you can also choose to receive marketing and promotional material. I'm just going to leave this option here unchecked and press Done. And now just like that, we've created a Facebook page for our business. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.